All right, welcome to Source ADV, everybody. I am sitting on my second generation 2010 Toyota Tundra. And to me, it's one of the ugliest trucks ever made. I think it holds the #3 spot behind the first generation Toyota Tundra. And of course, the crown goes to the Chevrolet SSR. Probably one of the most hideous trucks ever made, but those three are definitely the winners in modern times. I know what you're thinking, what about the Subaru Baja, Mark?
The Subaru Baja is a work of art. Don't you dare talk about it.
Anyways, I think there are some things that we can do to this 2010 Toyota Tundra to make it look a lot better. Right now it's got kind of this whale shark that mated with an albino orca vibe and then decided to get a chrome grille on their teeth, and it just really doesn't work. And on top of that, this truck has some serious signs of aging. It is a 2010. Luckily, as you can see, this truck has already had some of its serious looks indiscretions dealt with, like the stock rims, and it has been leveled a little bit. So it has a much better riding stance, but there's still a lot we can do to this truck to make it look a lot better. Let's go through this thing, let's dechrome it, let's kind of polish anything that's worn, like the headlights and the paint and the windows and everything. Let's black out some stuff. This is just gonna be simple stuff. This is gonna be stuff that you could do, you know, with a little bit of eBay buying, a little bit of O'Reilly's auto parts purchases, and hopefully it'll be an exponentially better looking truck. But if it's not, well, we'll do another episode down the line and keep making it look even better. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Alright, so you can see that the Tundra has gotten a little bit of a facelift. It's gotten the new Rock Warrior grille, and I went ahead and did this logo here in kind of a graphite Plastidip. The front bumper has been Raptorlinered, so that's got a nice black look to it. The headlights have been totally resurfaced, so they kind of pop a little bit more. And then all the decals and emblems on the truck have been Plastidipped in a hyper black matte. So basically the truck is now this kind of grayscale, monochrome, black and white look. And it's definitely a better looking truck now. I think everybody would say that it's probably a better looking truck. I know this grille is a little bit polarizing for some people, but out of all the grills, it's probably the one that looks the most like factory and close to like what a modern, like a TRD off-road or a TRD Pro truck looks like. Nobody makes a Toyota style TRD Pro front grille for a second gen Tundra, and that's too bad because it would look really cool. Now, with all that being said,
I still think we kind of just put lipstick on a pig. There's something that just doesn't work about this kind of weird half white black bumper thing that I don't like. And the headlights and having the kind of orange turn signals in the middle without any LED accent are definitely dated. So with that being said, I guess we got another video coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this thing. We're gonna put a new bumper on it, some new lights, maybe some racks, a bunch of other stuff to add a little bit more angular features to this orca of a truck. All right, that's it for this phase 1 of the Tundra. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out my other videos if you're into motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever. There's a lot of other videos we got. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the ride.